What's up, my peoples? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's doing well out there. I'm doing fantastic, guys. It's feels really nice out here today. I'm over here at Pokeland. I'm gonna be camping for the next 2 days. I just unloaded everything, put everything in the travel trailer, got my refrigerator running, got my slide out, so I'm ready to go, guys. So I'm at the last phase, which is to let out my awning. So the last time I went camping, guys, a couple months ago, I got hit with some really bad unexpected rain. And it was raining so hard, guys, that my canopy was sinking in on the frame. It was like caving in because of the water. The water was so heavy. So the rain would not let up. I was trying to close it and it got even worse. It looked like it was going to actually fall off and break off the frame. So all I could do was try to wait it out. So then the wind came as well, so which made it even worse. So all I could do was just wait, guys. So I waited for about an hour and a half, and then finally it stopped raining and the wind cooled down. So then I was able to close my awning. So ever since then, guys, I've been kind of scared of even using my awning. So I am so happy that Soli Outdoor Canopy shipped me one of their canopies. So here is the Soli canopy that they sent me. Comes in this nice backpack right here. Weighs about 35 pounds, guys. And I'm gonna take it out the bag now and I will show you what came in the bundle. All right, so I took it out the bag, guys, and I spread it out so you can see the Soli tent right here. Has a pretty big footprint, guys. I got the 12-foot one. They come in two sizes, the 10 and the 12, and this is the 12. Comes in 4 different colors. And this is everything that it came with, guys. Well, in my bundle, this is the Soli hat. They gave me a Soli hat. It comes with 4 straps to strap it down for, you know, for the wind and everything. And it comes with the stakes as well. Strap those down. And guys, I also got 2 mesh walls to help keep those mosquitoes out at night, guys. Or, you know, when we want to watch our projector in there or just hang out in the evening time and those bugs were tearing us up, this right here will stop that. So we have 2 of those, and then we have 2 shade walls as well, guys, to block out the sun. So when we're at the beach or something, we can also shade out the sun and enjoy our time. So we have 2 walls. All right, so also comes with the Soli pump, guys. Soli pump right here, which will get you pumped up. And guys, it's pretty fast. It only takes like 2 minutes to pump this thing up. And it also comes with the cord, USB-C, to charge it back up. You also put this in there too to deflate the tent as well. So I'll show you where it goes. There is a, let's see, right here. So I will pump it up right here, guys. I will pop this in here and I will turn it on and I will inflate this tent. So you can see it's pretty nice. It's actually very nice, guys. Provides a lot of shade. If you're on the beach or something and you know the sun is bothering you, then just put up a shade wall. So I'll show you guys how to put up the shade wall. You can see there's a zipper running along right here all the way down to the bottom, and I will put the shade wall up here, and I will also put up 1 mesh wall so you guys can check that out. So let me go ahead and grab that. I'm gonna take this right here, guys, line it up over here with the zipper. This all the way up. All the way down. There you have it. There is your shade wall. So it's a little windy, but it's not too windy today, so I'm not going to use my straps to put it in the ground. But yeah, it's a nice setup, guys. And I'm gonna put the mesh wall on the other side. This one right here will come in very handy, guys, when me and my kids are watching movies at night, or me and my wife, and those mosquitoes are eating us alive. So So this is where the mesh will come in handy. Just like that, guys. Now, another thing, guys, that awning costs a lot of money to repair. So had I broke it that day when it was very windy and raining, it would have cost me a lot of money to repair it, and it costs a lot of money to replace it. So this right here is a safer option for me. I absolutely love it. And if you guys are interested in this Soli, in the description I will have a link where you can purchase it, and there will also be a discount code for you guys if you guys decide that you want to purchase this. It only took about 4 minutes to put the whole thing together, guys. I can take it apart by myself and I can put it together by myself like I just did. When we was going to the beach, guys, and we were using these other canopies that we was buying from all these other stores, I needed 2 people to help me put them up, because one person has to pull the leg out, the other person has to hold the middle piece. It was just terrible, guys. This right here, you can see, is an easy 1-person operation. So if I was you, if you're looking for a canopy to go camping in, to use when you go camping and when you go to the beach, the Soli is the perfect. This is the perfect one. It's the perfect one for me, guys. So I appreciate you guys tuning in, and thanks for watching the video. And please like and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. See you later. Peace.